Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add your Citibank card to Apple Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So what we want to do is go to citi.com right here. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have done so, you open up the main page from where we can get started. This is going to be the home page where you can access everything you need, and here the first thing we need to do is log in. So if you don't already have a Citibank account, what you can do is go ahead and activate one if you're a part of the bank. If not, you can go and register for a Citibank account. So once you have gotten your account, you can get started logging in. Log in, and after that you'll be greeted by your dashboard from where you can go ahead and get started accessing your balance, your payment information, and so on. And now we can take a look at how to add the card to Apple Pay. So once you have gotten your Citibank card and you want to add it to Apple Pay, we can follow the steps right here on the official Citi website showing us how to shop using built-in security features with Apple Pay and add our card. Basically guys, how to add your Citi cards to Apple Pay is very simple. You're going to go to the services tab on the Citi mobile app for iOS and select Card Control Hub. After that, you're going to click the tab to add to Apple Wallet option and choose the Citi card you would like to add to your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then you're going to enter a one-time password to authenticate that you'll be able to start using that Apple Pay option, and after that you can get started adding your card. So once you've gotten your card, you're going to go and be able to access it that way. It's very easy. You can just follow the steps that are available in your application and get started with adding that card and paying with it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.